Hello. Before you watch your video, I want to take a moment to introduce you to the Tecmo molecular bonding system and our patented polymer bonding process. The process, as we call it, will allow you to bond or repair any of the broken polymers or polyplastics that you have in your home, in the car, or in the workplace. You can also repair everyday items in the home or in the workplace. Things like shoes, china, porcelain, toys, even items such as the mask of a Cpap machine where the silicone rubber separates from the plastic mask. Or how to repair the leaks that you get in tanks or pipes. In the past 5 years, in both the field and in the lab, the process has had a 100% success rate. There's not been a failure in the ability to bond, nor a failure where the bond comes apart later. Bonds are permanent. Now, the next technology that we offer that only can be used with the process is our Tech patches. Tech patches look like rubber, they're not. They're polymer, specifically fluorosilicone. Fluorosilicone is one of the most chemical and weather resistant polymers made. So whether it's a leaky PVC pipe or a copper pipe or a galvanized pipe, you can put the patch on and it won't come on. HDPE pipe, PEX pipe, you can put the patch on and it won't come off. Poly tanks, anywhere from a water tank to a gas tank. The Tech Bond and Tech patches are impervious to gasoline, oil, water, fertilizers, weather, and that is whether it's a plastic gas tank or a metal gas tank. We're going to ask for your help. So we would ask you to go to your local hardware store and tell them about Tech patches, or go to your local auto parts store. Auto parts stores have a patch for a leaky metal tank. There are far more problems with plastic gas tanks than there are metal. Tech patches work on both plastic and metal. Or to your local farm supply store. Farmers try and fix everything. With the Tech patch and the Tech Bond system, they can fix almost anything. Enjoy the video. If you have any questions, either go to our website, tvbonding.com, or call 877-565-7225. Thank you. Hello, we're here today to show you how to repair the face mask of a Cpap machine when it separates. A common problem because both of these are polys. And except for a polymer bonding process, there isn't a lifetime solution for polymers out there. Now, to make the repair, you're going to need what we call a poly kit. A poly kit comes with our adhesion promoter, which is called the poly prep. It comes with our catalyst, our secret sauce, if you will, the activator accelerator, and it comes with our adhesive. Each kit comes with step-by-step instructions. Now, in addition to the poly kit, you will need a heat source, which can be either a hair dryer or a heat gun. You'll need a piece of a sandpaper to lightly abrade the surface of the face mask. And you'll need to clean. So you need a cleaner that will not leave a residue and a cloth to wipe it off. So the one side is still attached. The other side, not so much. So play with it a little bit so that you know what you're doing when you're putting it back together. The first thing we're going to do is lightly abrade, and you can see where it's supposed to go. There's a ridge there. So we're going to lightly abrade that area. All right, but always surface preparation is the key element. So we're going to clean where we abraded it. We'll dry it. It looks like the best way to do this is to extend the surfaces over the problem area. To start with, what we're going to do is saturate both surfaces with our Polyprep. It's an adhesion promoter. Another way to say it, it's an etch that works with these plastics. You want to get the sides that will abut each other with the silicone rubber and this clear plastic. This clear plastic is either polypropylene or polyethylene in all likelihood. Next thing we need to do is a heat source. Need a heat gun or a hair dryer. Hair dryer will work just fine. And we're going to warm those surfaces. So we warm both surfaces. Now you warm the surfaces up to about 120 degrees Fahrenheit by temperature. In Celsius, it's 49 degrees, or by touch, just below hot. So put the adhesive on the lip. And stretch the silicone over that lip and press down. Again, spray the seam with the accelerator, because where it's bonded together, it's not coming apart. And obviously, there's been huge problems with these coming apart. Thank you, and again, if you thought what you saw here was helpful, please subscribe.